Dealing with stress can make getting a good night's sleep challenging. In fact, 2 out of 3 Americans suffer from a lack of quality sleep. With the Zenergy candle from iHome, managing stress has never been easier. Using ambient LED light, the Zenergy candle is flame-free, so you don't have to worry about blowing it out or burning yourself. Featuring multiple light and sound therapy techniques, the Zenergy candle is designed to calm your mind and body. Active breathing is one of the easiest and most effective ways to reduce stress and anxiety. The Zenergy candle is also endorsed by the sleep doctor, Dr. Michael Bruce.
I'm going to be recommending this to my family, to my friends, and especially my patients.
With multiple light and sound therapy modes, the Zenergy candle is for all ages looking to kiss their stress goodbye and get a better night's sleep. Zenergy. Breathe, relax, sleep.
Safety behaviors are part of our daily routines. Locking your firearm should be at the top of your list of these automatic behaviors. SentrySafe pistol safes deliver the assurance that your gun is properly secured to reduce the chance of accidents, while still providing quick, reliable access to your firearm when it matters most. Combined with the strength and security features you've come to expect from SentrySafe, including solid steel construction and at-the-ready presentation, the QAP1BE Quick Access Pistol Safe offers convenient 3-way access, biometric fingerprint, electronic keypad, and override key. The biometric fingerprint lock can store 2 fingerprints for access by multiple users. Biometric access is a proven and accurate technology that assures quick, single-handed access to your firearm. SentrySafe pistol safes are on the leading edge of tactical firearm storage. SentrySafe, creating peace of mind for a lifetime.